Hello everybody, this is Lorenzo from Shad Workshop, and this is our second audio tutorial for Zero Side, our military flight simulator audio game. In this tutorial we are going to execute a complete landing sequence that is a bit more trickier than the takeoff sequence. So right now I am in the air, and I took off a moment ago, and basically what I want to do is select an airport. I can do this by pressing F11 to choose selecting the browsing category.
Browsing vehicles, browsing ships, browsing aircrafts, browsing airports.
There we go. And now I will press F9 to cycle through the different airports. Now basically I want to press D and listen to the distance between me and the selected airport. Rain once again, rain everywhere. Press D.
447.
447 is pretty far. Let's find something a bit close.
167.
167 is pretty good, so we will try to get there. How can I be sure to be pointing exactly toward that airport? I will use the navigator, so I will change my horizontal heading pressing the key, the left arrow key, until I'll hear the navigator ding. There we go. I'll stop right now, and I'm sure that the distance between me and that airport will be decreasing. D.
127.
D once again.
125.
Okay, that's perfect. It's time to decrease our altitude and speed, because you typically want to be as close to the ground as possible when you are in the range of the airport, of the airstrip. But in theory, you should be decreasing gradually. So let's read once again the distance.
85.
Okay. We will now decrease our speed. We are now at 340. Something around the 200 is good.
200.
Perfect. Same with the vertical heading. Let's try to decrease our altitude gradually.
348.
Okay, this may be good. Let's just ask for the authorization with the key F2.
LB1117, this is Control Tower. You cannot land here. We've got too much area traffic.
Okay.
Try again later.
Perfect. Let's just wait and press F3 meanwhile to ask for the airstrip length.
LB1117, we've got your request. Please pay attention to the landing or takeoff sequence, because we've got a pretty short airstrip.
Okay, usually you need to press F3 because it is pretty handy to know how perfect you will have to be. Let's try again with the F2.
LB1117, this is Control Tower. You cannot land here. We've got too much area traffic. Try again later.
Okay, unlucky once again. Let's wait a pair of seconds and let's go.
LB1117, you are cleared for landing. You are cleared for landing.
Perfect. We are cleared for landing, so let's be sure we are once again pointing toward the airport. Yep. And just wait. Our speed is 200, so we can activate the flaps and our gear with the keys F and G. And now let's just wait for our coming through to the airport. Let's check our Z, our altitude.
15.
15. We are pretty close to the ground. Let's hope that we are close to the airport too. Let's check it out with D.
3, 2.
3, 2. Okay, it's good. It's good. Are we pointing toward it? Let's move a bit the left or right key and here for and here the navigator. Okay. And now when you have your authorization, when you have your speed, when you have your gear down, your flaps, etc., you basically want to check the distance and
You can land now.
okay, and the altitude. Right
You
now,
can
if we
land
touch
now.
the airstrip, we will
can land
land
now.
correctly. So let's check for our
You
altitude.
can land now.
6. Okay, okay. Let's
You can
set
land
our
now.
vertical heading to the
You can
350.
land now. 3, 4, 9. You can land now. 3, 5, 1.
It's still good. Our
You
Z
can
is
land now. Inside 5.
it's
You
5.
can
We're
land
going
now.
down.
You can land now.
We can land. We can land.
You can land
And now let's
now.
just wait. And you know
You
that's
can
a bit
land
there
now.
is a bit of thrill
Alive
waiting
airport.
for it.
You can land now. You can land now.
What is the distance?
1, 0.
1,
You
0.
can land now.
Our Z is
2. You can land
2.
now.
We are almost on the ground.
You can land now.
Almost there.
You can land 1 now.
Okay, 1. Let's just almost
You can
count down.
land now.
We should be there right now. 3,
You
2,
can
1.
land now. You have successfully landed.
Perfect. We have.
Landed successfully.
Oh yeah, thank you, squadmate. So that was the second audio tutorial, and this is Lorenzo from Shad Workshop, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.